Welcome to our deep dive into UMB Bank, a financial institution that offers a range of banking services. Today, we'll break down its terms of service, highlighting the most crucial aspects to help you understand if this bank meets your financial needs. Let's get started. UMB Bank provides a variety of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit and debit cards, and investment services. They are known for their personalized customer support and a long-standing history dating back to the 1913s, making them one of the oldest banks in the U.S. Advantages of UMB Bank. Wide range of services. From personal to business banking, UMB Bank caters to diverse financial needs. Customer service. Their support team is highly rated for quick and helpful responses. Security. UMB Bank implements robust online and physical security measures. Disadvantages of UMB Bank. Hidden fees. B. Cautious of potential charges on accounts and transactions. For instance, some checking accounts may require a $3,000 minimum balance to avoid fees. Limited branch locations. While UMB Bank operates in several states, its reach is not nationwide, which could be inconvenient for some. Outdated technology. The mobile banking app has mixed reviews, with some users reporting usability issues. Service overview. Checking accounts. UMB Bank offers multiple types, including free options for students. However, accounts may have restrictions or minimum balance requirements. Savings accounts. Interest rates are competitive, but higher balances are required to unlock better rates. Loans. They provide auto, personal, and mortgage loans with flexible terms, but relatively higher interest rates than some competitors. Investment services. Ideal for those looking for tailored advice, though the fees might not suit budget-conscious investors. Costs and fees. UMB Bank's fee structure can be tricky. For example, overdraft fees are $35, and some accounts come with monthly maintenance fees unless specific criteria are met. Always read the fine print to avoid surprises. If you're considering banking with UMB Bank, weigh these factors carefully. Want more insights on the best banks? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more honest reviews.